Ink bleeds confessions that the daylight never spills. Fold them into paper boats, set them on the rain, watch them sail to nowhere, carrying your name. Each word's a lighthouse in a storm I can't outrun. Each line a breadcrumb back to where the herd begun. I signed them with the tremor of a hand that still believes in a love that won't return, though it never truly leaves. Mail me, mail me, mail me to the address of your dreams. Fail me, fail me, but never let me cease. If silence is an envelope, let my heart be the step pressed against forever, till the edges lose their I found your old umbrella in the closet's dark. Opened it once, the whole room smelled like spark. I wrote one last letter on the fabrics inside seam. If you